Serena, long time I no see you, no man. You come look for Annie. Should I really appreciate it, you know? Sure, alright. You know, me really did I worry about her, you know. I'm gonna see her up on social media. She'll look better now, man. She'll start eat more. Can we, can we go check on her, if that's alright? Yeah, man. You're the first person to come look for her, you know. Go and go check on her, man. Me there watch TV. If you want anything, just tell me, you know. Me there. Annie? Annie, me come. Come look for you, come. Me don't worry about you. I'm gonna see you on Instagram or nothing. Oh, God, Annie. You know. Oh, no, Chantal, me come look for me. Me I wanna open the door. And you know, you know. When I really hear from Chantal, she don't really talk to me no more. You're the only person who come check for me. Nobody else will come look for me. Oh, honey, you know I always have a dear for you. You don't have to worry about nothing with me. My real friend. I couldn't do my face. Can't show my face at school no more. Look how I'm ugly. Don't say that, honey. You're not ugly. You don't have to lie to me. I know I'm ugly. Look at my face. Don't worry about that. It's what on the inside count, Annie. You know that. I just wanna look like me again. Sorry about my mother. No, she can be a bit annoying. How long is she up on the road? Cause I can't really deal with her in a rig. I'm not telling a lie. She got up on the road for a while, man. She go check her friend them. So you now see her for a couple of hours. I don't know why she hate me so much. Every good thing she want cuss me about. That's what she stay, man. She just want to treat me like one baby. She don't like seeing a girl around me. You know, Sean called me the other day. He must say, him father move go uptown. Hey, what man should afford that? I don't even know, but him always have connections with people, so maybe that's why him can afford it. Sharon, why you talk to the man in the first place? You say you know him from your youth, but I don't want good man that Sharon. How you manage to meet him? He was kind of a different person back then. Him never did so disgusting. Sharon, you know, so one day me gonna marry you. I don't want to talk about marriage. I'm thinking about my schoolwork. Daddy, every minute you talk about you can marry me. You not even talk about which work you gotta do. To you, man, I go one car, all type of things. Really? What type of car?
Shireen, mommy never taste enough to talk to that wagga gut boy there.
Debbie, why you always spying on me? And why you not there in your class?
You talk about me for them in my class and you talk to that dirty boy there.
Debbie, leave me alone now for me tell mom about all your boyfriend them. You little girl, go on to your class, man, and stop watch me.
Okay, me not watch you. Look how you big.
What the three are not doing out of class? Go back to the class right now.
Yeah, what Mr. Gelly say, on go back on the class and not no behavior.
Debbie, go to your class.
But sir, class boring and my teacher should not have sense.
I would advise you to take that thing out of your ear and go back to your class.
Alright, Mr. Gellis, my son got my class. Him boring, no sir.
No worry, man. Next time you pay for the party day. It's alright, Daddy. I don't mind buy the party them for you. That's why, man, I feel love you and Shireen. You're just one of a kind. I love you too, Daddy. So, what do you want to talk to me about? My mother and father will be out. But I wonder if you want to come over my yard. Alright, no problem. No worry about nothing, man. You're gonna be alright. I go watch, a movie or something. Alright, just make me drop Debbie off home first and then me forward, okay? Yo. Come follow me in the bathroom now. Yo, do it in the bathroom? No, Daddy, I bug of people here. Don't worry about that thing, man. We just lock the door, them can't get in. Come on, man, Shireen, where you going so far? No, Daddy, we can't do that. Come. Somebody might walk in and see we. I'm not sure, I love you, Where you going so far?
The chips are bad.
There's a woman here. She just want to see you. How come I never see her before? Why only woman love ask question? If somebody come look for me, what your problem that? Stop worry about who come look for me and go exercise. You know so yeah get big. You don't have to be so rude, Daddy. I'm gonna ask this who this girl is. Why if you load me up and embarrass me so far? How am I do you? Yo, idiot girl. Go on boy your business, man. I'm talk to my friend. You just fool so. Big fool. And you. I never tell you for that should I belly day. Look upon you. Oh, you're so wicked. You're moving with girl and you not even tell me. And you come here and talk about belly. Wait there. You never that sleep with a coolie boy. They probably feeling pity that. All this for me, Anthony baby. Look, add up the dates. And you're picnic this day. Can't my picnic. Come me remember say me tell you for dash it a belly and you tell me say you dash it way. Why would I dash way? Oh, first child, oh you can't so wicked. Cause man no wanna picnic from you. You know say you want war. Really? You call me a whore? After you sleep with me, you call me a whore? That's your fault. Are you go sleep with a little boy there? Then you want to come and pin pitney for me like me an idiot? But this is your baby. This is not Anthony's child. You know so much part I live now. I live top man life. You think me have no time for you? You're such a liar. You say they're gonna leave Sharon and be with me, and you end up here with some little big old fat stinking girl. I never tell you. If you don't move back in another boy the house, and you still go do it, you think me not here? Anthony's just my friend. But look for you, you have 100 girl. And you want to come in here, you have the nerve to cuss me about one man. How old are you, Octavia? Tell you already say man favor bag a girl. You not have no other man. But you still go behind my back and you go other boy there go live with him. You must think so me an idiot. I swear to say you love me, Daddy. You're a wicked person, you know. What if you do me so? Go on. Come out of my bumbo clad house, dirty girl. Daddy, what's wrong? Why you not argue for? I don't know what's your problem or what you have against me. Dinner is ready, sir. Look like dessert ready too, man. Come here, girl. Oh, you look so. You know, you afraid of thunder? No, man, I just don't want no tree to, like, drop on me or some shit like that. A tree? You know, in a sense, you know, I got a bathroom, I soon forward back. Why you look so nervous? You're Aisha's friend. Stop worrying about Aisha, man, and focus on me. Yo, I really like Aisha. Me like her too. Yo, I don't think this is a good idea. Shelly couldn't wait for me to come out, don't it? Oh, yes. This is your surprise, Andy. Relax, my girl. I'm to you.